y'all, so we're gonna do a makeup review and shout out to Urban Decay. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. It's a very nice box, y'all. It's giving definitely Halloween vibes and I love it. But before we get into what's inside, y'all check out this box. It's very clean, very creative, and very diverse, and I love it. MoonDust will be available at Ulta and Sephora online or in stores on October 15th. Now, let's get into it. So the first thing that we have is our glitter eyeliner. Here we have our glitter eyeshadow palette, and on the back is showing you how the colors are. So let's go ahead and get into this review. And this is how the glitter eyeshadow palette looks without the wrapping. It's very, very nice, very chic, and very fun. And then this is the back. Shows you all the different colors and its pigmentation. This is how the glitter palette looks without the box. It's very compact, very thin, and very chic. It can fit in anything small. And these are all the colors. I love this palette because it has different shades of nude and it can literally go with anything that you want to wear. Now let's get into how it looks on the skin. The first one that we're going to try is Star Cowgirl. It is an off-white color. It's very nice, very light, very vibrant. The second one that we're going to try is Space Cowboy. That one's more of your nude and brownish color. The third one that we're going to try is Wild Dipper Rise Again. That's similar to your rose gold color. It's very, very nice. The last one that we're going to try is your Cosmic Space Dust. That one's more of your bronze color, so it's a deeper brown. These are how all four look on my hand. And now I'm going to show you a version on the lighter part of my arm, which is my forearm. I'll show you all how each one looks. And this is how all four looks on the lighter part of my arm, so you all can get a picture on how it looks. Now we'll be taking a look at our glitter eyeliner. And this is how the color looks after you unbox it. The container that it's in is very nice, very clean, and very chic. Then we have our fine point. As far as for our eyeliner, it's very important. You don't want to have anything too thick or too thin, but just right. This is how the eyeliner looks on my forearm. It gives a real chic wet look and I love it. And this concludes my review for the MoonDust by Urban Decay. You all please go to Sephora and Ulta, go online or in stores and rack it up October 15th. Thanks, Urban Decay.